There's a pretty cool sight. It's a rainbow inside of the clouds are a rainbow. Pretty, huh? Not even raining. It's a butterfly. And a jet plane or a bird or something. Oh yeah, there you go, an eagle. Phoenix. Rising from the ashes. From the mist. It's a beautiful day out. I'm at the river. Still. Just playing around, digging in the rocks. Looking for some gems. And it's hot. So, yeah. That's what I'm doing today. Before I go get my son from school. And then I have to go to work for like 2 more days. So I'm just chilling. I don't know if I can see him yet. Once again, beautiful nature. I'm just at this place called Lynx Hollow Park on the outskirts of Cottage Grove and Creswell. It's pretty cool here.